Greetings. I am Helen Edwards Jackson, and I am honored to be considered to serve as your exclusive agent. I am an agent with Upsurge Realty, a top real estate firm in the small firm division. Buying or selling a home is a big decision, and I'm here to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's talk about how you can hire us to be your real estate consultants in both states. In South Carolina, there are different ways we can work together, and it's important to understand your options. We can have a simple customer relationship. This doesn't require a written agreement, so there's no commitment beyond the transaction itself. I must present all offers in a timely manner, account for money or other property received on your behalf, provide an explanation of the scope of services to be provided, be fair and honest and provide accurate information, provide limited confidentiality, and disclose material adverse facts about the property or the transaction which are within my knowledge. However, remember, in this situation, I'm not legally obligated to put your interests above everything else, and you do not have agency representation. For a higher level of support, you can become clients through a written agreement. As your agent, I'll actively promote your best interests, offering advice and support throughout the negotiation process. This means I'll handle duties like loyalty, full disclosure, and maintaining confidentiality. For sellers, this typically involves a listing agreement. For buyers, this would be a buyer agency agreement. There are also different types of agency situations. Single agency, where I represent you. Dual agency means I represent both you and the other party. With your full knowledge and consent, and designated agency is where two agents from our brokerage each represent you and the other party. A dual agent's loyalty is equally divided between you and the seller, but the firm must treat you and the seller fair and equally without taking advantage of either party. In North Carolina, like South Carolina, the following scenarios could occur: customer, single agency, dual agency, and designated dual representation. They work like so in South Carolina. However, if you agree, we would represent you as a buyer agent exclusively and be loyal to you. The agreement must be signed before we can begin showings. Now that you understand the options, let's debunk 3 common theories. One is, all agents are doing it. You don't need a contract to show me a home. If you won't do it, I'll just call another agent. The second one, buyer agents work for free and sellers are responsible for paying buyer agents. And lastly, number 3, all real estate agents are paid the same amount, which is a standard 3%. The National Association of Real Estate Agents, also called NAR, reached a settlement requiring all agents nationally to conduct practices the same way. You can view this information by visiting https://www.nar.realtor/ followed by the word, the spelled THE-facts, #consumers. Myth number 1. Consider the following scenario. A real estate agent of Upsurge Realty employed by receives a call requesting a showing of 123 ABC Street. It's thought that the agent should promptly get in their vehicle and proceed to the address to show the property. Sound exciting? Well, not quite. For starters, this would be more akin to the threat posed by strangers. Stranger danger. Agents should never go meet strangers. There are numerous other reasons why this is not a wise decision, including the risk of your life, trespassing, and agents who are working as a subagent to sellers without their permission is actually breaking real estate laws. Who would want to be involved in illegal transactions? Makes you think twice, right? Trespassing could be claimed as the agent who is unlocking a seller's home without informing them that you are a client and obtaining their permission to work for them against your interests. At times, sellers object subagency, allowing other agents to work for them when they already have a listing agent. Myth number 2, sellers are responsible for paying my agent. Your services are free. This brings us to the topic of closing costs. Closing costs includes costs to pay the team conducting your transaction, the lender, the attorney, and the real estate agent, taxes, insurance, and a list of other fees. Listing agents who work exclusively for sellers negotiate a fee that they are to be paid for their services. They may agree to offer a buyer agent a portion of their payment. However, listing agents and sellers are not obligated to pay or offer compensation to buyer agents. In fact, it was never the seller's responsibility to pay buyer agents who do not represent their best interests. Real estate is a consulting service, similar to real estate attorneys in that we represent you. However, it is not free. Similar to other consultants, Upsurge operates on a commission-based system. In other words, I will not receive payment unless we complete the task of negotiating and successfully getting your offer signed to purchase a home. Let's debunk myth number 3. All real estate services are charged at a firm 3% rate. Well, this is another reason the big lawsuit occurred against real estate agents. Consider this. A general practitioner who is a medical doctor may refer you to the specialty doctors for your liver, ear, or foot. Well, there is also a distinction in the field of real estate. You may encounter agents who possess only a real estate license, as well as those who, like myself, possess numerous designations and certifications. This implies that I possess additional training and expertise to assist a particular clientele. Furthermore, the quantity of sales or years of experience that each real estate agent possesses is not consistent. This is the reason why the costs of all agents would not be uniform. I would like to assure you that we will devote our full attention and professional expertise to the home buying process. We guarantee that the investment you make in our services will be well worth it, and we will make every effort to find or sell your residence. We will now provide an explanation of the agency agreement in the next video. Let's find the perfect path for you.